we're gonna wake up those glutes. And one of the best ways to do that is what's called prone hip extension. Now you only have a few degrees of hip extension in your glutes, and extension in your legs is when you go backwards. That's extension. Flexion of your hip is that way, extension of your hip is this way. And so when we're doing this, you want to keep a totally straight leg. Both your legs totally straight. You want to relax the rest of your body. And what you want to do is keep that leg straight, toes pointing straight down, and then you just want to lift that heel to the sky. And think about the only way that you can move that lower leg is just with your glutes. When you're doing it, you want to have your head down, relaxed, so you can really feel what's going on. But if you end up way rolling like this, it means you went too far, because remember, you only have a little bit of extension in your hip. And so when you're here, you want to be relaxed. You also don't want your back to spasm. If your back is spasming, relax, slow down, go back to it, and really focus on your glutes. If you have to, punch them. It's called goading. It's just waking up a muscle. You're just trying to build a connection with your brain to that muscle. We sit all day, and so we lose glute function, and we lose our brain connection with our butt. But it's the biggest muscle in your body, and it's important, especially when we're lifting weights. So, again, relax everything. Keep those legs straight. You can do one at a time if you want, or alternate. And then really flex that glute. I mean, when you go up here, it's not far, but it should light up your glutes. If you're getting in the hamstrings, you're probably bending your knee, and you're trying to pull at your knee instead of keeping your legs straight and just going. Remember, no back spasm, no back cramping. Laying down, relaxed. When you go to move, straight leg, toes down. If you feel that back, you're probably going too far. So relax, try to find it. Can't find it. That's it.